Hi, and welcome to the kitchen of Lindy Says. I'm Lindy. Today we're going to make a delicious green enchilada sauce. Perfectly balanced with spice and flavor, this sauce is so easy to make and is perfect on anything you want a green sauce. It's made with both roasted peppers along with some fresh jalapeno, garlic, onions, cumin, oregano, and tomatillos join the party. The tomatillos have a papery skin on them that needs to be removed. They're also a little sticky, so it's best if you wash them before you cut them into dice. We're going to start by putting the raw vegetables into a saute pan with a little bit of oil, and we're going to saute those until they are soft. They're going to give up some of their juices. That makes a delicious sauce. Have your roasted and peeled peppers at the ready, and we are going to add them once those vegetables are nice and soft, along with the spices and some water. Let that simmer for about 15 minutes to allow the flavors to fully blend. Let it sit now for about 10 minutes to cool slightly before blending. You can let it sit longer if you want. Carefully blend in batches as necessary, and you will have a delicious fresh green enchilada sauce. Visit lindysays.com for this recipe and more.